So we're out here today testing some model year 22 Blue Vantage software. John and Susie have been kind enough to let the test guys use some ground out here right next to the interstate. And we've actually got 3 planters running in the same field. We're using Map Sync, so we have the ability to have shared shutoffs and see kind of what the other planters are doing in the field at the same time.
It keeps track of where they've planted. I don't need to know, I can see where they've planted, but when the automatic shutoff runs into zones where it's already been planted, it not only reads its own planter, my planter, but it also reads where they've been. And that's quite interesting, because otherwise you can't plant with multiple planters in a given field if you're going to be working in the same area or crossing those same lines. So that's worked out well here.
This farm here is probably about 150-ish acres, and we've got 3 different planters, so 2 8-rows and 1 16-row, and of course we're all planting beans, but the blue shows you where one of the other planters has been, and obviously we don't want to plant over into that, so it's a pretty cool feature. So down here we've got like a MiFi. This is our cellular connection here. So the display here is talking to that, and then it's taking the information from the display and uploading it into the cloud. Right now we're just getting ready to turn around, and we're coming into the headland that's been planted by a different planter.
So as we're coming in here, this blue map is actually a different planter's pass. Green, obviously is mine. So as we're coming in, each row is going to individually shut off and have that perfect placement.
This is a 3505 we're planting with today. We've got the new 05 series updates that are some durability improvements to the row unit and some other features. But 15 years ago, the first planter I planted with it was a 3500. And I planted the farm there that's along Interstate by Kinze.
Well, she's done so many different things and rode with me and learned, and she's run about every thing that we've ever built.
I grew up on a farm, family farm in northeast Iowa. Honestly, here at Kinze, we're pretty hands-on, so having that background from the get-go is huge. You at least have that first place to start in your mind, because we do a lot of troubleshooting here in test. We're breaking things all the time, whether that be software or hardware, and so being able to have a place to get started is really crucial.
We usually get things in the very early stages because we want to make sure that we are having it right before we put it in the hands of a farmer. Obviously, planting being the most important operation a farmer does, it needs to be done right.